Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Huff and I'm a member of SWAT North Mason High School's Help Desk, and today I'm going to be reviewing Microsoft Flow, which is found on our Office 365 page. So we're going to hop into that and I'll show you what to do. This is the home page of Office 365. I'm sure if you're watching this video, then you must be familiar with it. So in the bottom left corner of our tiles, you can see that Flow is located right here. You can also find it up in your tiles right here. So we're going to click on Flow and get straight into My Flows, which is where you can find the flows that you create. So a flow, if you're not familiar with it, it is a workflow between two services to your files. You do one thing and then it will finish the other thing, so you don't have to do it. It's automatic and you can turn them on and off if you want to do that. So we're going to create one and then you can see what it's like. So we're going to create from a blank and then we're going to make it. So over here, another page is services. That's what apps Microsoft Flow has that you can use. So they're also relisted right here. So there's a ton of different ones that you can use. I'm just going to click on WordPress so I can create the flow to show you how. So first I'm going to make a post on WordPress. Then the next step I want it to do is make an action. And the action is, for this example, when a post is created on WordPress, I want it to create a tweet on Twitter. So instead of scrolling through all these like I am, you can type them in right here in the search bar. After it creates a tweet, I want it to make a pin on Pinterest of what my post was. So as you can see, there's many things. It also has the Google, which is very handy for people who are using the Office for their job or for school and you prefer Google, but for work you have to use this. So you can use both of them and they'll link together. So that's very handy. So then usually it will have you click on what you want to do and it will show up with some. So I wanted to use the title from my WordPress. I want it to go to a board. The note I want it to say is the title from my WordPress. I want it to go back to the title, and the image URL, I want it to use something from my WordPress. So that's all you have to do. When you're done with it, then you can name it right here. I'm going to just call it WordPress Twitter Pinterest. So when you're done naming it, all you have to do is create Flow, and you're done. So it's going to save it real quick, and then it will show up on our flows. So now when you go back to My Flows, you can see your flow. So it shows in the image what it is. It shows that it's WordPress and then it does the Twitter and Pinterest thing right there. So here's the on and off switch. If I click it off whenever I post, it will not do it. It won't do it. So you want to make sure you have them on when you want them to do. So you can edit it right here. You can see how many times you have used the flow and then you can delete it if you click on this. The last thing I'm going to show you is the templates that they have already made and other people have made. So templates are just basically these. They're flows, but you can just enter your own stuff and customize it to how you would want it. But then you don't have to make a ton yourself. So you can see a ton of different options. That's all templates is. It just shows you a ton of different flows that have already been created. So if yours isn't here or you don't want to have to look through them all, you can just make your own. And that's it. So that is Microsoft Office Flow. It is very handy. I can see people who work a lot to use it for calendar stuff and for reminders. If you need any more help with Office Flow, I'm glad to help you and I would love to. You can contact me on my school email, which is huffreb000@northmasonschools.org. You can find me on the SWAT website or my own personal blog. I'm here to help you and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.